Yeah, that just reminded me, Donald. In the last video, what kind of survival is? What kind of how many survival do we get?
We in 40 now.
And we're not we 41 or 40.
41.
Right.
Anyways, guys, we got some bad news. We need track. We got no food. We got water and iced tea. And I know it tastes like water, but seriously, you need to mix good. That will be one of you guys. Come on, Donna. I don't know how I feel. Yeah. Welcome to Yuko Adventure. Your show got canceled since April. Come on, Donna. You make me have one big opportunity. I tell you, well, Yuki is back. I thought we should make Yuko Adventure.
Really?
It's a show that we did on April, Kirby. Of course. I gotta say, my life is this. What the hell are we gonna do? And seriously, I got a better idea. Okay.
What is it?
Okay, Nayo, tell me, how we protect our hunger? That's a good idea. That's a good question.
I have an idea.
What? Just don't bite my sister. Don't bite my sister. But
I'm in her vagina.
Don't touch her area. Anyways, Kirby. Alright.
Ow. Oh, that's gotta hurt.
That makes sense. Anyways, guys, this is what we're gonna do. And Kirby, you are really weird.
I'm starving.
Okay, let's not eat somebody's body. We need to find food.
Oh, my gums.
What are you doing, Kirby? Kirby? I'm not.
I had chili dog.
Wait, what are you doing?
Dog food. What's this duck?
Oh, come on. Guy, before Kirby gonna eat me, how anybody know why I am in the duck? Because
what's a duck? Get him!
Well, biatch.
Sorry, Donna. Oh my god.
Yeah, you wanna play PSP?
No, just. So I got some fusion. So I got some. How you say Fusion Nation?
Fusion Nation?
Whatever. Oh my god. I'm so scared.
Okay, let's just calm down. I know you don't want to die. We don't want to die from the hunger. Damn it! Damn it, Donald. Sorry, Yuki.
You just broke your legs.
And now I can do with it. You go. Shit. Now we need to do something.
Like what?
We need to build a survival ship.
Alright. Okay, fine.
Let's go. This way, cover on your bed. This sweatpants will be cold by November, but for this, I gotta say. So now, what are we gonna do now? I don't know, Nayo. But the point is this: what are we gonna do? Donna. Sorry, Nayo. Sorry, Tamori. You gotta relax. I need to survivor. So I'm gonna just get up and just build my survivor ship. And this is not for you, Hurricane Nate. Anyways,
I built a fort.
I'm building my fort too. Alright, the DS. Alright,
bring the supply.
The DS, the game, the wire to connect. Let's do this. Hey, I wish I left it.
Yes.
Gonna have on my speaker.
PSP.
A tablet. One time my tablet needs to charge.
you just wanna fuck Amy.
Wait, what?
Nothing?
Alright, what else we need? Rumble in a sock. Cock.
Bunch of electronic stuff. Oh yeah, hey Donald.
What?
I found your DS.
Ah, sweet.
It's still working?
Can I check?
Yeah, you might want to charge it first.
Yeah, alright, just give me my DS charger.
Damn, you fuck like the DS so much.
I'm not fucked up. Alright?
Yeah.
Look, it's charging now.
Okay, holy shit, what just happened there?
Kirby, don't take it up, Kirby.
Oh god.
Kirby, you bitch. No. What the?
Okay, you know what?
My DS is dead.
Yeah, how about that?
Put it in the box.
Miss Garcia just like watching DS back in 2013, and you'll fuck it up. Here. Can't you hang yourself?
Go fuck yourself. Anyways. The DS I don't need ya.
Just in case.
Oh, yeah. Anyways.
Ow!
Anyways.
Okay,
Leave the GameCube game in on the top. Anyways, you can't. Because I cannot masturbate without no charger.
You just want to fucking me up, that's all.
Ah, Donna, I'll make you feel better now. I know you did, Karina, my darling wife.
Sonic, you don't want Amy to date with this. So let me date with her, okay?
I don't know. You date with Lutina because it,
Oh no, let's find out Sonic Force then. Oh wait. Oh yeah, most of your games are terrible. My game are good, so fuck you, bitch.
oh, that's impossible.
Same one that makes Sonic Hedgehog, the same one that makes Sonic 06, Sonic Boom, Sonic Shadow Crystal, and Sonic freaking Fire and Ice.
And yeah, the only guy who know that they just say Kirby on next year. Oh,
God, people are so excited for my game.
is next year, Kirby.
Yeah, but
Next year, well, like
yeah, but it's with Nintendo Switch. I was gonna go
2018, 2018, next year. Whatever, shit.
With my 2DS actually. Hey, if this one work?
Check it. It's on?
I don't know. Man, you been fucking up.
Probably next year.
You should maybe instead of getting PS Vita, you should buy your new DS.
Screwdriver? Oh. I just fucked up.
Oh man. Maybe you should get it for Christmas.
I want to get PS Vita. Huge earthquake destroyed the world. Let's just do something. Come on, Sonic.
Whatever. You need one of your blankets to cover the thing right here.
No thanks. I'm good.
What you said?
Got the speaker on. Got my tablet here. A DSi that I don't need. Mine and Sonic. Love it. Now I got all the electronic here, so I just relax and
Yeah, what you say out there.
oh man. Good night. Oh man. Fuck. Yeah.
How you doing?
That's good.
Okay.
Damn, I make Donald voice. Anyways. Wait, I should make Donald voice. Hi, Kirby.
Yeah?
How you doing?
Good.
Okay. This is my voice, Kirby. Remember me? Okay. Wait. Anyways.
Okay, you are definitely not Donald.
What?
Donald would never crack.
That make crack, Kirby. What are you talking about? Shit, fucked up.
Donald,
Fucked up.
he never cracked.
I did.
See? He never cracked.
Fuck! That's like I say. Fuck! Okay. Hey, let's do this. I'm gonna get my DS. Kirby could show his ass. And that. Nothing. Donald's awake.
Right.
Don't worry. I'm awake. Hi-ya! Ow. Kirby, it's just me, okay? Sonic just make my voice.
No shit.
I know. Wait, Sonic Color? Sweet, I love this game. Sonic Color. Hey. What the? How dare you? How dare you? How dare you? New hack and new. Hey. I was born to fly. Where should I go? Ah, fuck it. Anyways, I should end the video now. So thank you guys for watching. I will be okay right now. So you guys want me to know what happened to Hurricane? There you go. I'll be fine. So good night, guys, and I see you guys during one on the wall. Wah.